everybody, Gustav Klimt is one of my favorite artists. So today on Make Your Mark, we are going to attempt to make some Gustav Klimt inspired prints with my gel press using gold leaf. Now this is something I've never tried before. I don't know how it's going to work out, and I'm sure it's going to take me on a big creative adventure. So I hope you'll come along with me. Are you ready? Let's make some Gustav inspired prints with my gel press. For this project, I'm using my 8x10 gel press and flat sheets of gold leaf. I find this works the best. Place a stencil on top, and then place gold leaf sheets on top of the stencil. Using a stiff brush, brush away the gold leaf that's on the stencil and let the flakes stick to the other exposed areas of the gel press. Add some color to the press and distribute, and then remove the stencil. Let the paint dry on the gel press for a few minutes. When dry, add another color on top and distribute. Now press and pull your paper. Okay, this one worked. Let's see if it works again with another combination. I love the way this looks, and it really does remind me of Gustav Klimt. Klimt is best known for the gold leaf glow of many of his famous paintings, but his golden phase actually came well into the middle of his career. Before that time, he painted predominantly in oil and did many large-scale murals. Gustav Klimt painted more than 200 paintings. Many were destroyed during the Nazi occupation, however, many still remain. Klimt's work was not well received by critics during his lifetime, but his reputation has grown in the years since his death. He is now considered to be one of the most important and influential artists of the Art Nouveau movement. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want content I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. I'll leave a link below for that too. And if you want more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you might like the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2. And I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.